I'm gonna show you how to make red velvet cupcakes. I'm making 24 cupcakes, but if you only want to make 12, I'll show you the ingredient quantities for that too. Before you get started, preheat the oven to 335 degrees. Then through a sieve over a bowl, add the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and sift all those ingredients together to get rid of any lumps and to add air. Then add in the unsalted softened butter and the eggs. Then beat the ingredients with an electric mixer on medium speeds for 1 minute and no longer. Then in a small bowl, add the buttermilk. You can make your own by combining 3 tablespoons of milk and half a teaspoon of vinegar. Then add in the red gel food coloring. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix them together. Then with the mixer running on low speed, add it to the rest of the mixture. Then turn the mixer back up to medium speed and beat for 20 seconds and stop. For this part you have to move really quickly. Add the apple cider vinegar to the baking soda, mix it together, then add it to the rest of the mixture while the mixer is running. The reason you have to move quickly is because the combination of the baking soda and vinegar makes your cake really tender and moist. But if the bubbles stop forming before you add it to the mixture, your cake won't be as tender and moist. Then speed up the mixer and just mix until it's combined. Then scoop the batter into 2 muffin trays that have been lined with paper liners. I like to use an ice cream scoop to do this. Then place the trays into the oven and bake them for about 18 to 22 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, rotate the pans and switch the oven racks so they bake evenly. They're done once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then remove the trays from the oven and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the cream cheese frosting. Into a bowl, add the cream cheese and the butter. Make sure they're both at room temperature. And beat with an electric mixer for about 5 minutes. Then sift the powdered sugar to add air and to get rid of any lumps. Then add half of the powdered sugar to the cream cheese and butter mixture. And mix it on low speed to start with, then beat it on high speed for 2 minutes. Then add in the rest of the powdered sugar and mix it on low speed to start with, then beat it on high speed for a minute. I like to use a piping bag to frost the cupcakes, but you can frost them however you like. And then frost your cupcakes. Make sure your cupcakes are completely cooled before frosting them, or the frosting will just melt and slide off. And I like to add sprinkles to the top. You can decorate them however you like. And that's how to make red velvet cupcakes.